Good morning, everybody. Rick here. Today is Monday, January the 4th, 2016. Time is now 9:40 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. First trading day of the new year, and I am really under the weather. So I'm going to try to get this or make this sound okay. So I'm not going to trade too much today, but I hate missing the first trading day of the year. So, alright, here's a trade that just triggered off. This is a CL. We've been having a pretty decent push up for the past hour or so. So we pushed on up into this high zone, and we're now in the oversold or overbought area. And here's the key levels that I was looking at. 37.97. You got a block cluster of big orders institutions that came in there, and you've got about an 8 or 9 wick area there. So I'm in short 10 contracts at 37.99. Right here, trying to pull 5 off at 37.89, and my stop is set at 38.09. So up here, I may adjust that on down, but that's just my typical 10 and 10 stop right now. So I'll be back shortly, and we'll see where we actually push to on this whole trade. So all right, see you soon. Alright, so that was pretty easy. 10 ticks down, took half my contracts off. Stop is now moving to break even. And I'm going to just see if we can ride this joker on down. Not really sure how far, but I like that block clusters right there. So between 99 and 95 to 99. So, alright guys, I'll be back and we'll see where we're at. Alright, stop was just hit. I'm thinking we may push that 9 to 19, so I'm be looking to get back in here short again very soon. Let's see if I can get this set up. Waiting for that to stall out. Up there. A little bit more, a little bit more. A little bit more. Look at that, 30.25. Oh, that's it. Okay. Getting in. Alright, I'm short 38.15. And that looks like the one deviation line up there, which will be a nice touch. 38.25. Okay, so let me get my stuff adjusted. 38.05 is going to be my first area to come off. And 38.25 right there on the deviation line is where my stop is going to be. So give me just a second. Look like my stop is moving to break even right now. So that happened pretty quick. So I like those type of things there. So stop at 38.15, break even. Okay, that's all set now. Alright guys, so it's back to watching and see if we're gonna push down yet. So okay, I'll see you soon. Alright, stop hit again. So looking to see if we can get this push up to the deviation line at 38.25, and then I'll be looking short again there, 10 contracts. So I'm gonna set a limit up, see if we can hit there, and if not, I'll adjust and get back in short at a market order. But my limit's set at 38.25 at the moment. So alright guys, I'll be back and we'll see where we hit at. Alright guys, so actually I pulled that limit order before we got up here, even though, let me see where we at. Yeah, we'd still be in this trade if I was hit it at 25. too many aggressive buyers lifting the offer on this one here, so I wanted to wait and see. We're up here at the ice zone right now, and that's the previous day high, so that's a key area right there. So chances I will be looking to get in short here very soon. I love these area. Is that a previous day? Oh, that might be the current day high. Still even better. We're lined up right there on this 1.5 deviation from yesterday, or Friday rather, and we're just not crossing this 1 deviation. So, and then we're at the top of this I zone as well. It's going to be disappearing, but there's another one immediately above it. So I'm looking to go short here pretty soon. So let me see if this is it here. We're still pushing. Still pushing. Alright, so okay guys, I'm gonna watch for, well, hang on. No, we got a key level building up right there on 31. What does that hit at? 38. Let me see if I can get in at 29. Okay, I'm in at 28. Alright, 10 contracts short at 28. We got that level right there built up. So let's see if we can ride this joker back down again. So we hit up in this eye zone, this one, it breached. It's gonna shoot on through that one there. Or this one's gonna disappear rather. This one's gonna hang steady. So let's see if the buying is starting to dry up at this point here. Let's see anyway. So, oh, excuse me. Oh, I feel so bad today. Okay, but you know, trading successful trades always help that out a little bit. Okay, let me adjust my areas. 38.18. Where's 10 is coming off. Or half my contracts at 10 ticks rather. Okay, and then my stop is set at 38, 38. So, alright guys, I'll be back shortly. Okay, that's my third tap for the day. Stop is now moving to break even. Took half my contracts off at 10 ticks. Stop is now at break even, and wash, rinse, repeat. So always waiting to get that push down. If not, I'll scalp this joker until it actually happens. But a lot of pressure up this morning, so just waiting for that rubber band to snap more than anything, and see if we can finally get that push down. So that's all I'm waiting for, and I'll do this until I have six successful scalps at 500 each, or if we finally get a push down into a direction that I like. So alright guys, I'll be back and we'll see where we're at. Alright, stop was hit again, and I'm thinking the 1 deviation line is going to be our turnaround point, so I'm going to look to jump on back into this right here at market. Let me watch and see for just a moment though. So actually we did close about 1 deviation line, so we got hung up here. So where are my wicks? See, we got 3, got there, 30. No ice volume zone. Okay, here we are right here. Alright, I'm in. I'm gonna get right on back in. Alright, I'm in at 38.29. 38.19 is my pull-off point. Up, and that happened real quick. I didn't even get set. See if we do that again. Okay. Wow. Yeah, okay. Alright, that's out. So I'm moving my stop to break even now. We're at 38.29. Alright, so now we'll see if we get a push down, and that's what this is. I think we finally hit it. So, wow, look at this. So, yeah, this was your key level right here, 38.28. You should have had some wicks up in here. 9 and 19 is what I normally look for. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So we got the 12 area wick there. So, okay, so now at this point, hopefully this is the push down, and then I'm able to scale out from here. So, alright guys, I'll be back shortly and we'll see where we're at. Alright guys, so I believe we're actually going to have a push down, but I'm just going to set my take profits and stops. My stop is already set at break even. I got to take profit way down here at 100 ticks at 37.29. But I'm going to go lay back down now. I'm going to pull this up on TeamViewer on my phone, and I'll monitor it from there. But I'll just pause the video. I'll come back and do an update later this evening, how things worked out on this trade. But yeah, my head is killing me now. So, but again, didn't want to miss first day of trading. So, Happy New Year, everybody, and I will see you soon. All right, talk to you guys soon. Okay, just when I try to lay down, the market moves and it just won't let me sometimes. So, alright, I'm pulling 2 contracts off here at 37.86. 2 are coming off there, somewhere in that area anyway. And I'm going to leave my stop where it is. Okay, those came off at 37.87. And still 3 contracts short at 38.29, and final take profit is set at 37.29. So, alright guys, that's where we're at the moment, and I'll be back shortly. Well, maybe not shortly. I'm gonna try to go lay back down again. It's kind of hard though when you're watching this stuff and you know, trading is a passion. So, alright, see you soon, and we'll see where we're at. Okay, so I'm gonna move my stop down to 38.09. That's gonna lock in 20 ticks profit regardless of what happens there, and that should pretty much hit me on my goal today. So, haven't calculated, but I know it's close. So I'll let this play out from here, and we will see where we're at. So I'll see you guys shortly. All right, guys. So I pulled off 2 more contracts just a moment ago. My chart froze up. I'm watching this from my phone for the moment, so I just had to restart my charts. But we had a big old push down, about, what did I say, 37.60. So I guess we're about at 60 ticks profit in there somewhere. So, alright, I'm on my last contract now at 38.29 short, just 1 contract on that. So I'm leaving my stop at 38.09, and my final profit target hit at 100 ticks at 37.29. So we'll see if we can get that area there, and I'll get to work on my chart here and see what's going on. So, alright, be back shortly. Okay, finally see what happened a little bit. So it looked like we're pushing right up against this point of control, this purple line right there on that there. So I think I'm gonna adjust my stop just a little bit more. Let's see here what it looks like. Let's see there, 37.81. That's gonna be my new stop in that area there. So all right, be back shortly. Alright, and I know you won't be able to see it till my charts load up, but 100 ticks was hit and I am out of this market. So this has been about a 5K day. So I'm very happy with that on my first trade, first trading day. And so I'm out of this market. I'm going to go lay back down now. I'm done trading. So thanks for watching, guys. Let's see there, pull that up there. And I'll try to show you. Give me just 1 second. I'm not going anywhere. Let me see if I can get this loaded and I'll show you what happened. Okay, guys, chart's finally loaded up. So, alright, let me show you a quick rundown what happened. Got in up here at 38.29 short based off of order flow exhaustion and the game's getting ready to be played in. We hung up here around the 1 deviation line for a long time, and then we finally got this pushed down, and I wrote it down, scaled out at various areas, and ultimately wanted to hit 100 ticks, which was 37.29, which is right there on that mark there. So solid trade. Yeah, pretty much how my trading plan works. I just wash, rinse, repeat that, and so right now I'm just going to call it the day, and I will see you guys tomorrow, Lord willing, if I'm feeling better. So, again, solid trend day. So, alright guys, thanks for watching, and I'll see you later.